Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming you have the right tools and parts. This matters because Weiser variants differ. Remove the interior trim and expose the mounting screws. Use a screwdriver that fits snugly. Take out the battery and note any corrosion, then depress the release to free the lock pack. Once done, label each screw and part so reassembly is systematic. Make sure to keep the keypad and cylinder parts separate to avoid mixing model-specific pieces. You now diagnose the symptom: power issues versus mechanical binding. Install a fresh 9V battery and press the keypad to observe LED and motor sounds. No sound suggests power or motor failure. If buttons respond, remove the deadbolt and inspect the tailpiece and cam. Misalignment causes binding. Rekeying or replacing the cylinder solves persistent lock rotation problems. Keep the wafer order visible and use graphite lube on pins because oil attracts dirt and causes jams. You finish by reversing disassembly carefully. Align the tailpiece, seat the deadbolt, and mount the interior plate. Tighten screws evenly to avoid skewed operation. Reinstall the battery and run through every user code, the auto lock cycle, and manual key turns at least 5 times to verify reliability. If something still fails, focus on 3 suspects: incorrect tailpiece length, a loose motor connector, or a damaged circuit board. Replace the component indicated, because persistent faults usually trace to one of these.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.